Calendar Clock is a free day clock application that helps people with memory problems live independently for longer. Calendar Clock consists of two apps. The Calendar Clock application is meant for the person with the memory problems. The Calendar Clock Administrator application is meant for the person which wants to control the calendar clock. First, install the Calendar Clock app on an old device. Open the Calendar Clock app, read and accept the terms and conditions. Now, on the device of the caregiver, install the Calendar Clock Administrator application. Scan the QR code of the Calendar Clock app and fill in a name for the device. Now you can add messages and change settings here. It may take up to 15 minutes for the changes to be visible in the Calendar Clock app, or you can refresh the app yourself by swiping down on the menu page. If you have any questions, check out the frequently asked questions in the administrator application or ask me for assistance.